everyone's talking about AI. It's everywhere, right? And part of the problem is that manufacturers really don't know how to use these different technologies that are out there to be able to really support then the business objective. Instead, what's happening is people are throwing out the term AI to tackle everything, but it doesn't tackle everything. And that's something manufacturers need to really understand. They need to understand, first and foremost, the different types of AI technologies that are out there and what is their intended output in that AI. Meaning, for example, a large language model, which is a type of AI, it's a type of AI model, is really designed around taking natural language and then doing an action off of it. But it's not designed to do demand forecasting, for example, for a manufacturer. So I think the very key thing here with the AI revolution is to not jump on the AI bandwagon with it, but to identify specific business needs that could be used with AI for automation. That's where we're at right now. We're not at this state where all of a sudden we can just throw stuff at any AI and it'll do it. It's more about making sure that we're right sizing the business need to what that AI output is inside of the manufacturing environment.